Hello guys, it is Monday the 9th of December 2024 and this is weekly market preview. I'm going to be doing this series usually on a Sunday, but today is the first one. I just decided to post them online today, so the first one is going to be now as is Monday, and the rest of them are going to be on Sunday. So what these streams will be all about, we'll just have a look at the market and how we are expecting it to perform for the week ahead, a look ahead on the weekly. First thing I want to look at is obviously market structures and how the EMAs are respected, and what the trend is, and then we just follow the trend, simple as. So if we look first at SPX, which is the S&P 500, you can see this has been up only. There's no reason for concern here, literally since, let's have a look. Don't know why this is so slow today. It's unbelievable. So since October 2022, literally we've been up only. Now this will correct at some point, but it's not the time now. Okay, total 2 on the weekly. I have drawn out this channel here, as you see. This channel has been respected since November 2021. Obviously the low formed in October 2023, and our target at the moment is this zone up here, which if we draw a fib tool comes in at, let's have a look, comes in roughly at 1-to-1 extension. Now one thing I want to notice, because I am bullish on alts, I am bullish, and I think next year is going to be a big year for alts, but don't expect returns that are unachievable. I see a lot of people post online, with all this XRP and ADA and all the hype that's going on now. I just want to show you something. So if we measure from the low of 9th of March 2020 to the high, let me put this in white. So if we measure this move here, March 2020 to November 2021. So basically, if we look at this as a first leg or a first bull market, well, not the first one, but the most recent bull market, you can see it's been a growth of 45x. So 1.67 trillion was added to the market, and this went into altcoins, basically anything but Bitcoin. If we follow the same logic now, from the bottom to the 1-to-1 extension is only 3.8x. So guys, just want to show you something. In order to have the same returns as the last bull market, see if I can get this straight. I need to go even higher than that. There you go, more or less. We would have to be at 19.9, so basically 20 trillion. 20 trillion, guys, that needs to come into the market, into altcoin, so basically anything but Ethereum, for us to see the kind of growth that we've seen in 2021. This is not achievable. This is not going to happen again on altcoins. That's my opinion. So I just wanted to show you this because next year, whatever we go something like this, and then we go up, and maybe we go to 1.27 or whatever, 1.1 to 1.414 extension, wherever we go, if the signs will be there that the top is in and the top is coming, and you will see it, you will see signs, everybody's going to be euphoric, and your taxi driver is going to be talking about crypto. Don't, you make a plan now, where now you're not drunk from euphoria. So make a plan now, and just don't expect returns like you've seen last bull market. Just keep a level head. We're gonna be monitoring this, obviously, but yeah, for now I am expecting a little bit of a pullback on alts. So maybe something in the region of this, and then up to here, and then we don't know. We will see what happens here, whether we top or not. The way this is moving, if we have a look at this, let's say this has been 16 weeks from the bottom, 13 weeks. If we take another 13 weeks, that'll take us to March next year. It remains to be seen. I will update this chart on Twitter. So if you want to follow me there, it's Baldwin at Baldwin XBT. I'll leave a link in the description below. Total 3, it's in a very similar pattern. Let me make this white so you can see it better. Okay. So you can see at the moment total 3 is at resistance. That was the top over there. Obviously, I think we go much higher on this as well. Again, maybe we can expect a pullback into this area over here, which is the middle of the channel, and then that can take us up to, let's say, there, which will be top of the channel. If we draw the same extension, fib extension tool, we can see that is the one-to-one extension. That's our first target. Like, you know, it'll be hard to think that we can only go that high, but we don't know yet. We'll take it day by day, week by week, month by month. Anyway, that's what I am expecting as a local target. We'll come back to these charts in the future. Now, on to Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance, if you look on the weekly chart, this has been in a up-only trend since, let's say, January 2023. So for 2 years, yeah, it's gonna be 2 years soon. Altcoin dominance is just ran up only. Yeah. Now something has changed this past 2 weeks, and that is we got some huge closes below the bands. Now what I'm using here is the EMA 12 and 21, and as you can see over here, the first time, oh, actually this was the first time. The first time the bands turned red, we had a large pullback. Obviously, we cannot compare what was then with what is now, but what I'm saying is we are in for a altcoin pump. Even if we go like this and retest the bands and then keep dropping, let's say target would be somewhere around here, right, this box. All right, so this would be the target if we are to drop. Now this shows a significant weakness in the dominance. So guys, please just think about it. This hasn't happened, yeah, closes like that, since it flipped green back in 9th of January 2023. So very bullish on that. Now if we look onto Bitcoin, Bitcoin has had a lot of big rally since the Donald Trump election, which I think was this candle here on the 6th of November, if I'm not mistaken. Obviously, if you look on lower time frames, like on 4 hour, you can see that easy mode is finished now, just by this price action here. Easy mode actually finished over here. Once the H4 bands turned red, we knew that a period of chop is coming. And as you see this week here, this is the OKX chart. There was a trader liquidated for $18 million, one trader. So leverage flushes are very common in bull markets. So if you are in any positions, I strongly suggest spot and chill is the way from now on. All this move here, you could have traded all this move here. You know, this was easy to trade, no leverage flush, everybody made money. Now this is the period here where you or whoever gonna start giving the money back, and we don't want to do that. Ethereum as well, it is at resistance at the moment. If we look here, this shows definitely resistance. A pullback on Ethereum. What I'm expecting is a retracement So basically something like this. Don't take the time frame into consideration because, oh, actually, yes, we can, 18th of December. Anyway, I think this will happen this year. This will be a great opportunity to load up on alts. Set a reminder here. Guys, if you have alts at the moment and you bought, you know, wherever, don't sell them now. Just because I'm saying this, don't sell them to buy cheaper, because cheaper might not come. These are all predictions. This is not, I'm not Nostradamus, you know. We are just looking at the market and we're taking it day by day. So there's a possibility that Ethereum will go there. If you are already in the market with altcoins, don't sell them. Just hold them. If you have cash on the side, now is not the time to buy, in my opinion. If you have cash on the side, you should wait for a deeper flush, which I think in December will come. Solana, obviously the trend is almost ending, and if we look at the Sol ETH chart and put this here, you can see there's a clear shift from Solana to Ethereum. This was the point where market structure broke. And now I'm expecting the target to be, you see it closed inside the value area as well. First area to look out is here, and the second area is here. So this is the point of control of this whole move up, and this is the value area low of this whole move up. I'm gonna set some alerts here. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna be buying Solana when it hits there, but just to keep in mind, if it bounces from there, that will signify a weakness in Ethereum, and if there's weakness in Ethereum, the alts won't perform as well, or at least a layer 1, layer 2 alts, and then meme coins on the Solana blockchain might start to perform better. Just two areas to look at. Now, when it comes to these Dino coins, my god, they had some pump. Like, I am glad for, I have a lot of friends who were in for example in ADA from back here somewhere, yeah, because everybody was buying thinking that we are going to $10, and you know, looking back now, how many weeks have passed? 160 weeks. That's crazy. 160 weeks. Anyway, a lot of my friends, they sold here, having DCA'd in the bear market. They're exiting at break even. I'm not saying Solana cannot go any higher, but obviously this is a zone of resistance for Solana, for ADA. I only have Solana on my mind. Now, if this is to go lower, I am expecting a drop to, oh, this is not nice. I'm expecting something like this, 60 cents in that area, in that region. If that holds, we are good for, so 40 to 60 cents. We are good for another leg up. If it goes lower, I think that's it for it. The same goes for XRP. They have very, very similar charts. If you look at this chart, we have market structure here. This already looks like a lower high. I really need to modify this. Let me just do them once. White, save as, break of structure. Okay. Once this closes below, I'm actually gonna set an alert here. Close below equals daily MS shift. So I think the top is in at the moment, but this will be a clear confirmation. So we will have something like this, and then let's say over there, oh, Okay, you get it. And after that, it remains to be seen. It's kind of a long-term view. I shouldn't be doing this analysis for such a high time frame. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. This has been the first episode. I'm still a bit rusty with talking on the internet. I haven't really done it, and hopefully I'll get used to it. If you have any altcoin requests that you want me to chart, just drop them in the comment section below. And on Sunday, when I do the next preview, if there are any altcoins, I might do just a video for altcoin requests, and then we will see how it goes for next week. Anyway, this is my first video, so thank you guys. I'll see you later.